Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Okay, we're here inside Greenland Executive Village. Greenland Executive Village, so mas malapit po ito or very accessible to top business districts like Ortigas, Makati, and BGC. Okay? So tara, feature natin to yung property. Ang nakita kong highlights nito is maganda yung mga sizes ng bedrooms and almost all bedrooms may kanya-kanyang toilet and bath. So, yun yung isa sa highlights niya. Right? As you can see, yung parking natin is good for 2 cars. Okay, then ito yung pedestrian gate kung saan ako pumasok. Okay, then may common space dyan. And welcome to your new home. So, pagpasok mo, a very welcoming na living area. So, enough space for the living area. So, dito yung ating magiging feature wall kung saan pwede nyo ilagay yung inyong TV set. Right? Mga speakers. And then, yung ating ceiling is naka-cove ceiling with cove lights. Okay? With a modern lighting fixtures. So, yung living area. And then, on this side, is yung ating dining and kitchen area. So, yung dining area natin, square na dining table, mas fit po yan sa pagka-square yung dining table nyo. Squared, okay? Then dito is yung ating lanay area na naka-covered na. Okay? Medyo madumi lang doon sa may bandang likuran, which is yung ating service area. Kaya hindi ko na muna siya papasukin. Okay? Lipat tayo dito. So, ito yung ating kitchen area with kitchen island. So, itong pintuan na to, yung sinasabi ko sa may kabila, which is yung ating service area. Malaki yan, kaya lang, sobrang ano po eh, parang may mga kalat po eh. Kaya hindi ko na muna papasukin. And then, we have this bedroom dito sa ating ground floor. This is good for senior or guest room. Okay, senior or guest room since may sarili po siyang toilet and bath. So, this is the first bedroom na may sariling toilet and bath. Okay? So, ito ulit yung ating dining area kanina. So, yan, may malaking mirror dyan. And then, we have the powder room. Dito, yan sa may ating, sa ilalim ng ating hagdan. Okay? So, akit tayo dito sa ating second floor. Again, location natin, Greenland Executive Village po. Okay? Very accessible tayo. Going to Highway 2000, C6, kung lagi po kayo pumupunta ng Makati, BGC, or NAIA. Pwede naman dito sa may Ortigas. Okay? Ortigas Business Center. So, first bedroom dito sa ating second floor. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, modern design yung ating feature wall. Meron siyang built-in cabinet with vanity table. Right? Then, ito yung ceiling niya. And of course, meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Again, ito yung space natin. First bedroom, dito sa second floor ha. So yung baba kanina, merong ground floor bedroom. Nasa labas lang po yung ating maid's quarter kanina. Sabi ko nga, madumi po eh. Kaya hindi ko na masyadong, hindi ko na pinakita actually. Oops, mamaya yan. So ito yung second bedroom dito sa ating second floor. Ito yung ilaw. Hindi ko pala buksan. So ito, may walk-in closet and of course, toilet and bath. Okay. Walk-in closet, toilet and bath, and ito yung space po. Again, modern design yung ating feature wall dito. Okay. Papakita ko ulit, ikutan ko para mas makita nyo yung space. Labas tayo. May nag-i-inquire na. Okay, so dito is yung ating common space for the family area dito sa ating second floor. Meron tayong feature wall dyan. Ito pintuan na to is going dito sa ating balcony area, which is may access din naman po doon sa ating master's bedroom. So doon ko na lang ipapakita. Okay. Then pasok tayo dito sa ating master's bedroom. Welcome po dito sa inyong kwarto. Yung magbabayad ng bahay. Yung magbabayad ng bahay, ito yung magiging kwarto niya. Okay? So, high ceiling. Okay, so dito yung magiging feature wall nyo. Right? Then dito yung magiging headboard. Ayan. And then, yung master's bedroom, meron tayong tinatawag na walk-in closet, a lot of cabinets. Yan. Siyempre, meron siya sariling toilet and bath. Again, yung space natin sa master's bedroom. Then, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, is yung balcony. Diba? So, ito rin yun, yung kanina, yung doon sa may family area. Yung access. Paikot lang po yun. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa second floor. Proceed tayo dito sa ating third floor. So, this sa third floor, kabilaan po yung roof deck. Then, meron tayong entertainment area, one bedroom, and a common. Ito lang yung may common na toilet and bath. Kasi meron tayong entertainment area dito eh. So, common toilet and bath. And then, ito yung ating bedroom dito sa third floor, which will serve as, tingin ko, as guest room. Mas bagay po ito. Since nandito yung rooftop and entertainment area. So ito yung entertainment area natin. Ayan. Pwede kayo mag-set ng video okay dyan, no? Gusto nyo, playroom ng mga bata. Depende. Gusto nyo, gawin yung gym. Depende po sa needs nyo. Kayo po ang masusunod. Then, ito yung kabilang roof deck natin. Yun. O tara, pakita natin dito. Hindi ko masyadong napakita ito kanina. So yung nakikita nyo na yan, kita ba? Hindi ko alam sa camera ko masyadong kita. Doon. Pero yung daan na nandun is going to Highway 2000 na po yan. So very accessible kayo sa main road. Tapos hindi tayo binabaha dito. Okay? Again, Greenland Executive Village po. Price natin dito, 19 million. Kaka-update lang po ng seller sa akin. Alright? So, 19 million po yung selling price natin dito Very accessible, going to top business districts. Alright? Yung full details, ipopost ko po. Kindly check na lang po doon sa ating description box. Paki-check nyo po. Alright? So, that's it. Again, my name is Vino, Pensiya Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.